Okay, so with b, notice we've got a product there in the middle. Okay, so you just write it on the right hand side here. Okay, and we apply the product rule. So u is the first term there, which would be, so u is equal to x, and v then is the second term, which is y. Now, a bit of a shortcut. Instead of writing du by dx, because it takes a while, just put u dash. Okay, so it's another way of notation for differentiation. Just u dash. That means du dx. Okay, so it's just quicker. So it just becomes 1, and dv dx, which is just v dash. Then we'll differentiate y. It becomes obviously 1, but you've got to times it by dy dx. Okay, so then remember the product rule, it's v du dx, so y times 1 plus then u times dv dx, x times this 1 times dy dx, which is just dy dx. So there's the product rule. Okay, we've differentiated x, y there. So when I then go back to this here, okay, I literally have got this now. I literally say then, okay, well, differentiate with respect to x, well, x squared just becomes 2x, doesn't it? xy, I've done it over here. So it's just y times 1, which is y, and then x dy dx, and then y squared becomes 2y, but remember to times it by dy dx, and then on the right hand side, well, 0 just becomes 0. So then group the dy dx's, okay, so dy dx is factorize it rather. So got to times it by x to get that, and I've got to times it by 2y to get that. And take the other rubbish over to the side, so minus 2x minus y. Okay, and then I get dy dx is equal to minus 2x minus y all over x plus 2y. Okay, and what you can do, you can factorize out, because there's a minus in both of these terms here. You could actually factorize out a minus on the top, can you? Let's put a bracket there, okay, like that, just to make it a little bit neater. So I've taken out the minus. So, if you apply that minus to both terms, you'd get this, wouldn't you? And then you multiply through by a minus. What you can do then is put the minus in front of the fraction. So then you get rid of the bracket if you put the minus in front of the fraction, because that minus now will apply to everything in here, and then in the bottom, of course, x plus 2y. All right, and we're done.